Did you know America secretly hired over 1,600 Nazi war criminals after World War II? It was called Operation Paperclip, and it's one of the darkest cover-ups in American history. While Nazi leaders faced trials at Nuremberg, the U.S. government was quietly smuggling their top scientists to America. When Irving Brown built rockets using slave labor, thousands died in his factories. The government gave him a new identity and made him NASA's chief engineer. Kurt Blohm tortured prisoners in biological experiments. The Army hired him to develop chemical weapons. These weren't just scientists following the orders. They were war criminals responsible for mass murder. The government created fake backgrounds for them, clean records, comfortable new lives in America. While their victims' families searched for justice, these men were building the space program that put Americans on the moon. The same hands that built rockets to bomb London were now building rockets to reach the stars. Operation Paperclip shows how far America would go to win the Cold War, even if it meant making deals with the devil himself.